How to claim free stock on Robinhood. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to claim free stock on Robinhood. So if you want to go ahead and claim free stock on Robinhood, then you'll need to follow the steps. So basically, to claim a free stock on Robinhood, you can do this by signing up for Robinhood. But then you need to make sure that you've completely signed up. And to do this, open up a browser on the web address bar, type in robinhood.com, login. Next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and register yourself. So in my case, I already have an account. So what you have to do is basically enter in your personal details, all of that. Once you've actually signed up, you could see that at the bottom of the page, finish creating your account to start investing with as $1. What next you want to do is after you've actually done it. So now in my case, I haven't completed my signing up process. So I still need to go ahead and get verified or approved. And then when you link your bank account, you could choose your stocks or have Robinhood pick up for you. So this is basically how you could claim a free stock on your Robinhood account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.